Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I know it's been a minute since I done came to cook something because I've been a pickle making fool, okay? But today I'm coming to make y'all some brothy rice, okay? I'm finna show y'all how to make that. It's fairly simple, y'all, and I didn't know this was even a thing, so I had to look into it myself. So we're gonna pull out a lot of our little Asian ingredients today, okay, y'all? So before we get started, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon. It is linked below digitally. And next week, y'all, link below will be my website for my pickles, okay? Without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so the first thing we're going to do is season our salmon. I was supposed to get the salmon with the skin on it, but I didn't. So make sure y'all get the salmon with the skin on it. Or if you don't like the skin, then I guess not. But we're going to use the skin for the broth. So that's why I say that. Anyway, we have a little bit of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and a little bit of Old Bay. And we just gonna season the top. I'm not gonna season the bottom because I'm about to sear the bottom and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. So go ahead and get your oven right now on 400 degrees. Y'all, always trying to season something. I almost forgot to put the oil on here. Put a little bit of oil on top. Yeah, that's good. Just kind of rub that in a little bit. Then we're going to take and season it. Then we're just going to take a piece of garlic. Well, not a piece of garlic, a whole head of garlic. And we're just going to chop off the top. Just going to. So it's like that. Alright, y'all, we're gonna start with a little bit of oil. All in there. Now we're just gonna lay our salmon in. We want to remove this salmon, y'all. We only let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna put it on this baking sheet and finish it in the oven for about 10 minutes or so. Okay, y'all, so basically searing this was supposed to get like some of the flavor and all of that inside the pot first so that we can finish it in the oven. Obviously, like I said, if you have the skin on, we wanted the skin to stay inside the pot. So yeah, these little pieces, not this piece, we gotta get that out. These little pieces we want for flavor. If y'all want to, honestly, you could just cook your salmon in the oven the whole time. Alright, so we're just gonna add a little bit more oil. We're gonna throw in our shallots that we chopped up. Gonna cook that in for a little bit. Alright, y'all, we're gonna throw in some ginger and add a little bit of whole black peppercorns, a little bit of smoked paprika, if I can get it out. Alright, y'all, we're gonna go in with about 1/4 to like 1/2 cup of white wine. Now, you don't have to use white wine if you don't want to. You can use the broth, the seafood stock or chicken broth or whatever stock or broth that you're using. We're just going to use this to deglaze a little bit. This is where we want to go and scrape the bottom. Now we just want to let this cook in just until the alcohol cooks off. Maybe about a minute or two. I'm gonna squeeze in a little bit of lemon, y'all. Make sure I don't get those seeds. Then we're gonna throw in some bay leaf. Then I'm gonna use some seafood stock. Y'all can use about 2 to 3 cups depending on how much broth y'all want. I'm gonna use about 3 cups. Alright, y'all, so you really want to add some miso paste, but I didn't actually get none because it was a big tube and I wasn't going to use it. So I'm going to use this red curry paste. You can use this as well. Or yeah, this wasn't, I already had this, so I'll be using this. A little bit of fish sauce. What I'm using, y'all. It's pretty strong, so just a little mix. Mix that paste up. Now we're just gonna add this garlic. Let this simmer for like 15 minutes. Alright, y'all, this broth is done. I'm just cooking some rice and some broccoli over here on the side. Y'all can put whatever y'all want. Bok choy, green beans, whatever y'all want for the side. I'm using some baby broccoli. It's done. Always gotta make sure you taste it. That's good. That's a different taste too. That's good. Oh. Okay. Perfect. You just want to add a little green onion. Y'all, I literally almost forgot the damn broccoli. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. Do not overcook y'all salmon because, y'all, it will be dry. And don't over-season it because it will be salty. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!